Good evening, and welcome to Watch and Learn. I'm your host, Jhairie Aguilar. Our top story tonight is on the controversy behind the new trend called waist training. The new craze behind body shaping is the waist trainer, which is basically a corset. Waist trainers may vary from styles to prices. The idea is to wear it for roughly 8 hours every day, and eventually your body molds itself into a slimmer figure. Many celebrities, including Kim and Kourtney Kardashian, Amber Rose, and singer Ciara, among others, are wearing these to slim down their waist and get that hourglass shape every woman wants. But is the waist trainer necessarily healthy? Doctors have stated that it's not dangerous, but it can be if worn for a long time. It can cause breathing problems and acid reflux. It is also important to note that it is just a temporary fix. Instead, doctors recommend that diet and exercise are a healthier option to getting that body you want. And now, on a lighter note, for our next segment, we will show you 3 simple steps to properly clean your makeup accessories.
First, we'll start with the makeup bag. It is important that you clean the inside of your makeup bag, since that's where all the makeup goes. It's very simple. You just flip it inside out and take a makeup remover wipe and start cleaning. You'll notice the difference right away. Next are the makeup brushes. Simply put some dish soap and a tablespoon of olive oil in a small bowl and begin mixing the solution. You will notice how quickly the makeup will come off. After that, you can just rinse the brush in warm water and let it dry. Lastly, we move on to the lipstick. When you reapply your lipstick, it can pick up bacteria from your lips, so it's important that you take a disinfectant wipe made specifically for makeup to gently wipe away the bacteria. Or simply putting some rubbing alcohol on a napkin and wiping the lipstick works as well.
And now for fashion. Ladies, and perhaps gentlemen, we have all been there before, a closet full of clothes and nothing to wear. It can be tough to find variations on the same looks, but here are some ways to get the most out of your wardrobe without spending a lot of money. So your friends call you to go out, but like many other days, you seem to spend hours staring into your closet for something to wear and never get a satisfying outcome. But guess what? You can never go wrong with a little black dress. With one dress, you can get multiple looks. By just adding a pair of Converse, you can turn this simple black dress into a rockin' outfit. But now, let's say your friends want to have a night out. Not to worry, just change your Converses to a pair of nice heels and add on a nice blazer and you'll be ready to go. And ladies, let's not forget the accessories. This will give you that finishing look. Now fellas, the same goes for you. Take this look for example. Here we have regular jeans and a nice tee with a pair of black Vans that gives a great casual look. But now let's say you want a more night out kind of look. Change those black Vans to boots and add on a leather jacket, and you are set. And fellas, you have accessories too. Don't forget the watch, it will give you that final look. And finally, if you have a sweet tooth, take a closer look at this here. Here are a few steps on how to bake a simple cake. First, you would need a box of your favorite cake mix, 3 large eggs, milk, butter, and/or oil. You will also need a cake pan and a bowl to mix your contents in. Before starting, I like to turn on the oven so that it can start preheating while I prepare the mix. You're going to set the oven to 350. To begin, you're going to pour the cake mix into your bowl. Here, I'm using my favorite mix. Next, add 1 cup of milk. I personally like adding carnation milk because it gives the cake a better taste, but whole milk is perfectly fine. Following the milk, we can add the eggs. I prefer removing the egg white and just putting in the yolk. And finally, a tablespoon of oil or butter. In this case, I'll be using butter. After all the contents are added into your bowl, we can finally start mixing. Your goal here is to mix until all chunks are removed. Once that is done, we can take our cake pan and apply a coat of butter. This is to prevent the cake from sticking to the pan. Once that is completed, we can go ahead and pour the cake mix into the pan and safely insert the pan into the oven. This should only take 25 to 30 minutes. After the cake has baked, we can remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before frosting it. Once cooled,
Have fun and enjoy frosting your cake any way you like. Since spring, I'll go ahead and use bright colors. And there you have it, a tasty cake you can enjoy and share with friends and family.
That's all for tonight. Thank you for joining us. I'm your host, Jhairie Aguilar. We'll see you all next time.